Get ready to immerse yourself in musical bliss with your very own Boat Rockers to 55 Touch. To power on, separate both the earbuds from each other. The headphone will automatically enter in pairing mode. A tone prompt will confirm the same along with blue and red LED flashing alternatively. To pair with Bluetooth, follow these steps. Open Bluetooth on your device and search for Rockers to 55 Touch. Choose Rockers to 55 Touch from the list of available devices to establish Bluetooth connectivity. Once successfully connected, blue LED turns solid for 3 seconds. Basic functions that you can perform with your Boat Rockers. Double tap the control touch panel to play pause music. Swipe up on the control touch panel to increase the volume. Swipe down on the control touch panel to decrease the volume. Double tap the control touch panel to answer an incoming call. Double tap the control touch panel once again to hang up an ongoing call. Long press the control touch panel for 2 seconds to reject an incoming call. To skip to the next track, swipe forward on the touch control panel. To go back or to the previous track, swipe back twice. Long press the control touch ring for 2 seconds to wake up the smart voice assistant. Triple tap the control touch panel to activate the beast mode for a low latency playtime. Triple tap the control touch panel once again to turn it off. Double tap the touch control ring to activate spatial bionic sound. Double tap the touch control ring once again to turn it off. Our ENX environmental noise cancellation tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. To charge your device, connect one end of the provided cable to your device. Connect the other end to a computer wall adapter, power bank, etc. Perform the reset in case you face any difficulties while operating your rockers. Tap 5 times on the touch control panel to clear the name from the paired device. If you face any difficulty while operating or listening with your earphones, please clean your device. Use a cotton swab or a pogo pin to gently clean your rockers. Also use a microfiber cloth to clean the touch controls.